Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Bank of America Merchant Services login, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for Bank of America Merchant Services. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button typically found at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields asking for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Then, enter your password in the next field. Before submitting, ensure that your credentials are correct. Look for the option to remember your login information if desired, and select it. Once you have confirmed your information, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are accurate, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case you forget your username or password, click on the respective Forgot Username or Forgot Password links. Follow the prompts provided to recover your account access. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and try refreshing the page. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Reattempt the login process after performing these steps. For added security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, navigate through your dashboard to access the various services available. Always remember to log out after your session for your account's security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.